or everybody voice should be recorded, and nobody will get silent. Nobody in front of me. Here, you are an individual to sell your words, to become shameless person, to become a stupid person. You have to speak, you have to perform like you are getting money for your words. You are getting dollar for your statements. You are selling something, very expensive things. Like this you have to perform. So completely, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Look there and try to perform. So you are going to highlight, speak something about English language, how, why it is important. Take 1 minute, 2 minutes, hardly. Start speaking quickly.
Hello,
Little bit louder.
Hello, everyone, and thank you, my honorable teacher. And sorry. Hello, everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So, this is Afsar Khan in front of you. I would like to tell you about my experience because I belong to an education background. I would like to tell you that being educationist, this is my learning which I want to tell you in front of you. If you want to live significant life, right, the English is on the only way that will give you the success in your life. So this is the all about I want to say the English is very important, and I know everyone that you're struggling while speaking wherever you are working here and wherever you are getting education. The English is the only stream where you all are struggling in it, right? So I would like to tell you whenever I learn and I feel, because there's so many things in me, because I would like to tell you that you are choosing yourself, you want to become a successful person in your life. That's why you are struggling and you are desperate to learn English, because you know, you have understand that English is the only way that will improve your life. So whenever I feel depressed and I remember the only thing that I would like to tell you that whenever you feel depressed and you are feeling that you are not growing, so remember these lines. का चेष्टा बकोध्यानम श्वान निद्रा संयमी श्रमी अल्पहारी गृह त्यागी विद्यार्थीना सप्त लक्षणम. Because if you are learning का चेष्टा, मैं I would like to tell you का चेष्टा कौवे के जैसा ध्यान आपकी चेष्टा होनी चाहिए पाने की. अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखना चाह रहे हैं, कुछ करना चाह रहे हैं, तो आपकी ये चेष्टा होनी चाहिए कि आप पूरे फोकस के साथ उसको सीखें. चेष्टा होनी चाहिए. भगवत ध्यानम, बगुले का जैसा ध्यान आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि अगर आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं और आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं कि मैं इंग्लिश नहीं सीख पा रहा हूँ और उससे डिप्रेस होकर उसको छोड़ दे रहे हैं, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. आपका ध्यान और उसका फोकस आपका पूरा उस पर होना चाहिए. काक चेष्टा भगवत ध्यानम श्वान निद्रा, कम सोने वाला होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आप अपनी पूरी जिंदगी सोने में व्यतीत कर रहे हैं और आप अपने आप को वो महसूस करा रहे हैं कि मैं अपने आप को टाइम नहीं दे रहा हूं. सो श्वान निद्रा, संयमी श्रमी, बहुत संयम रखना होगा अपने आप को, आपको आगे बढ़ने के लिए. अगर आप संयम रखेंगे तो आगे बढ़ पाएंगे और आप काबिल बन पाएंगे. श्वान निद्रा, संयमी श्रमी, अल्पहारी, कम खाने वाला. ये नहीं कि हम ज्यादा खाएं, कम खाने वाला बनना चाहिए हमें, ताकि आप कम खाएंगे तो आप ज्यादा फोकस से काम कर पाएंगे. ज्यादा खाने से आपको स्ट्रेस होगा और सो पाएंगे. ठीक है, तो ये आपको चीजें याद रखनी है. whenever you feel that you are not learning, so remember my words and just remember these lines. So whenever you are learning that these lines is very powerful whenever you are depressed. So I am here to tell you that the English is the only way where you can learn and you can earn. Thank you.
Clapping. Big clap for him. As he has kept is a very fantastic effort. He has kept his all effort in front of you to give his performance, to make you know who he is, how, when, what he can do in front of you. That is a very much fantastic role. Anybody else? To see his performance, you must have bigger confidence. इनकी कॉन्फिडेंस देखकर आपके पास ना बेहतर कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाना चाहिए, ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि फर्स्ट गाइज came in front of you and tried to speak louder and with the full confidence, with the full power. To become next one who wants to come, try to come here and celebrate your festival while speaking. Feel yourself that is a bigger and beautiful chance of your life to perform yourself, to show yourself. Anybody else come? Who wants to come? Firstly, come fast. You should come. Try to speak. Just give your little introduction and try to speak.
Start.
Yes.
Hello and good morning everyone and respected teachers and my fellow guys. Today I would like to
जितनी
present
ताकत उतनी
the
चिल्लाकर बोलो.
today I would like to present the importance of communication. Why is the communication is important? Why we need communication? Communication is very essential in our day-to-day life. Wherever we need to communicate with someone, we have to have some communications. I would like to relate a story of mine with you guys. Okay, so one day I was going in an interview, and there was an interview that has to be done with some HR guys. So I went there. So what happened? I just cleared the first round, and then I have to appear in the second round. In the second round, I was giving interview to the HR. So they asked me to introduce yourself, and in the introduction itself I stuttered, I fumbled, and the HR in front of me said, I think you are no good for this role. You are having fumble in your communication, and you are having some stutterness in your voice. So I don't think you have good English. So we will not be able to select you for this role. So you may improve yourself and then come afterwards. So that was a trigger point for me in my life. That it was some kind of failure for me. I was very very saddened by this. I felt like for communication I have been rejected. So that was a trigger point for me in my life, and then I started to take it seriously, and I said to myself that come what may, today I am going to learn English and prove themselves that no one can reject me on the basis of communication. I am going to grab the better role than this job. I am going to have a good salary job than this one, and prove myself that no communication barrier can stop me. And and afterwards I started to learn English through YouTube only. I had no money at that moment. I just had internet and a mobile phone. So I just went into the YouTube and learned a lot of from the basic grammar to the advanced grammar. I just got into it and tried to. I didn't have the environment to speak with. I downloaded some Play Store. I downloaded some application so that I can speak with the strangers and improve my communication skills. So that's how it helped me. And today I am happy that I am having a good job and earning a good money. So that was we have to have some trigger point in our lives, so that it can trigger ourselves so to do something. For doing something, you must first of all have desire. If you do not have desire to do something, you will never going to get it. Like if you do not have desire to earn money, come what may, you will loosen on the things like all right, I will earn money, I will do this, but you are not going to earn money unless and until you have the strong desire to have it. Desire is something keeps a person alive, and it keeps a person to strive for that thing. So you must have desire, and you should have faith in yourself. And the faith is something that bring impossible things to the possible world. If you have faith in yourself, if you have faith that you can achieve that thing, no, you cannot be stopped. You will have to have it. You will going to have it. So that's how it's going.
Fantastic! Big laughing for him. One message to everybody, that if somebody who has spoken, If he wants to re-speak, he can come. He can speak. He can perform. Whatever he thinks special to speak, he can speak. Whoever has spoken, right? You can come again. You should just come. And you just anybody next one. By your own desire, come try to speak and try to shout. This is a beautiful chance for you. Try to speak something. Try to show yourself. Speak now.
Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you.
Speak more louder and try to see you for the camera. By your eyes should be there as for the camera in front of me and try to speak now.
Sir, thank you for giving me this wonderful
More,
opportunity.
thank you very much. More louder.
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak in front of you, and I want to say that everyone is here and who are learning English language and who speak English language. But I am here that why the virtual value of the English language. As we know that everyone came here and he tried to speak English language, and I want to say that if any common man who speak English, so he can increase his value by the English language. And I want to say that अच्छा कम्युनिकेटर वही होता है जो कि किसी भी भाषा में बोलकर कन्विंस कर ले लोगों को, वही अच्छा कम्युनिकेटर होता है. इसलिए हमें दैट्स व्हाई वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एंड एवरीवन लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, बट इन आवर एजुकेशन, इन आवर confidence, so we should learn English language. That's why we can boost our confidence in front of the public, in front of the area. And I want to say that in America there was a garbage people. He can speak English more than you. He can speak English better than you because their native language is only English language. So why who gave us money for our English language? There is no one gave you money by your English language. You can increase your personality by your English language. That's why we are learning English language. And I want to say that I am learning English language for the convince the people. And there is no matter Hindi and English. There is a matter of the conventional power. That's it.
Fantastic. Clapping for him. बहुत अच्छा. Fantastic. तो try to speak. कैसे बोलना है? बेशरम बनकर बोलनी है. शर्म खोकर बोलनी है. In which language you feel comfortable, you have to speak. Anybody else? Next one, try to shout and show your expression. Facial expression, body gesture, each and everything you have to speak. So, express, impress and express. Are you ready?
Yes.
Just go ahead now.
Good morning, all of you. I'm having a here wonderful opportunity to given by sir. My dear friends, all I am here. I am having a here in a good morning. Everybody are standing here. Why are you standing here? You are learner? No. Everybody are learner. All in world are learner. You are standing here. Why are you standing here? You are focused only for earning money. Everybody are focusing only for earning money right now. Yes or no? Everybody are
Try to
saying in
speak
the word.
yes or no.
Yes. Yes.
Everybody, you have to speak together. Yes or no?
Yes.
But why are you earning money? One day you are everybody are left. Everybody are living alone. But it's major role in your life. It's the reason that you are frame. Everybody are saying the reason. Reason that you are earner. Definitely you are earning the more money. You are purchasing the everything. But still you are not purchasing your life. Reason that you are one day die. But still you have a capacity. You have a power. But you have to use in the power in your words. Everybody is a seller. Everybody. No anyone's not selling. Some people are selling the things. Some people are selling the words. Some people are selling the thoughts. You are sitting. Every person. But some people are selling a few points, few moments. Everybody are taking about selling the books. But your books are not good. But still your thought process. Also selling the sailors. Also your. I'm talking about the Hindi word. The ganje ko kanga bechna. It's major role in your life. Everybody are selling that, but you need the mobile phone. You're easily purchased, but still you're the comfortable feel. You're selling in the Ganga, definitely it's you not have a here, but that person also sell easily. It's a major task, but also you are not aware about the value is not a selling. Value all your words. Value your words power, thought process. You have a capacity. One books are selling the one persons are 5 rupees, but few persons are selling the 10,000 rupees. Why are you selling? It's thought process. You have a capacity. Everybody is purchased here. But still, you have a capacity, you have power. Definitely, you will sell everything. These are also advocates. You have to earn money in the 500 rupees per hour. But one person have a selling in the words only for 10,000 per hour. Why are you selling? It's your words. You have a thought. The one person's are meet me. That person's are earning money. My company is a Havels. Havels company. That person's are yearly package 1 crore 20 lakhs. Also give the cars. Also give the house. But that person's are talk about with me. Lots of people are sitting here and there. But that person's are talk with anyone. That person you आप इस मैं नंबर 1 होना चाहता हूँ आपके साथ भी आपके बाद भी दैट्स इज मेजर रोल इन योर लाइफ दैट्स इट
Fantastic. Big applause for him. How is your confidence while coming? कैसा लग रहा confidence? बोल कर कैसा लग रहा? लग रहा कि आपकी टैलेंट बाहर आ रही है. लग रहा कि आपकी टैलेंट बाहर आ रही है. आपको कैसा लग रहा? आपके अंदर लग रहा है कि आप कुछ हो और दिखाने की जरूरत है. Understood? Anybody else? Who? Come and try to solve. जो आपने अभी तक नहीं किया वो आपको करनी है. आपके बॉडी में जितनी जाने उतनी चिल्लानी है यहाँ पर. Here I am not able to speak. Since last 2 months, 2 days, I have been suffering from very heavy fever. Yet I am here with full of energy. I'm energetic. Similarly, you have to speak, you have to cry, to just find out your hidden talent. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Little bit more subtle as you speak every day. Try to just get started now.
Hello friends, my name is Ujala and I would like to thank sir for giving me this opportunity. And today we are going to tell about the benefit of the language. So we all know about the benefit of our language because we are coming here, so we all know about the what is the benefit, what is the advantage of language. But you know what? We not understand when we are in a very young age because that time we focus on the only the school study and the college study. But you know, I want to share an experience about you all with my family, friends. He is a businessman and I think he crossed his age like 35 and 30 years old. And he is a very good in business. He settled his business in Delhi, UP, Kolkata. But he has in her life a golden opportunity to go to Kerala for across the border, increase her business. But he refused his opportunity. Why? Because he don't know how to convince there in English. Because in Kerala we all know the highest literacy rate.
Or louder, beta. Or louder.
Okay, sir.
Bolo.
Because in Kerala we all know that there is the highest literacy rate in Kerala. They know all
Fantastic.
about their native language and English, and he don't know English, and that's why he refused his golden opportunity in his life. He said, "Sorry, I don't know how to communicate there." And if that time he know about the English language, you know what he earned in a month I think 15-20 lakhs in a month. But he refused. Why he refused? Because he didn't know about how to communicate there to go get Kerala with their people. Because there we all know with the native language, I think in the Malayalam, I don't know what is the language of the in Kerala, and other language is the English. So we have to know about the benefit of the language. Because if you know the other language, if you learn the other language, you know what, in a 1 hour you can earn like in lakhs in an hour. Because my English teacher, when I was in college, she said to me, his brother, he knows about the French language. When from the France, they coming, anyone the business for coming here, so the company hired him to communicate with that people who come to the French. And he earned lakhs in an hour. So we have to understand what the benefit of the language. And we all are coming here because of we all understand this time ki how to communicate the people, and that's why we are coming here. So this is all about my experience which I shared with you. I know you can understand my thoughts.
Fantastic. Next one. I expect from you that very better, best, and unique you are going to do. First, little bit introduce yourself, then try to put your statement, views, concept in front of all.
Start, sir.
Good morning, all of you, and thank you, Sambu sir, who gave me this opportunity in front.
Louder as you have
speaking
energy.
in front of you all. And today, Mr. Malik, in front of you all, I would like to share about English. English is the very important, as everyone knows about English, and we are get together here for learning English. And if we are going somewhere for learning English, so we have to get something. If learning English is the most important, if you are doing your business, you are doing your job. If English is not there, you are not able to speak you are not able to get the more money, more increment, more salary. If you have a communication power of English, then you can do anything else as you want. But you do not have a communication power, then how can you feel that I accepted the money of better than this, better than that? So you cannot achieve the more money because if you want to get the more money, so you have to learn the English, you have to speak in English, you have to communicate your voice in front of everyone, you have to show yourself that I know English, how to express my views in front of all. So English is very important. As I heard, I listened the one words of one boss says to his colleague that you are fired from this job because you don't know how to communicate, you cannot how to express your views in front of you all. So you don't know about English, you don't know learn, you cannot read, you cannot learn, you cannot write the English. So I don't know need to this kind of people. I know only this kind of people who speaks in front of you all, and this kind of people I know need. If you will able to speak, learn in front of you all, I can hire you. If you are not able to speak in English, then I cannot hire you. You are fired from this job. So my point of view that we are come together here for learning English. We have to learn English very powerful. Not we are sleeping right now, and I cannot come. Why you cannot come? Why are you take the admission in this institute for sleeping at home? Not यार. You have to do something in your life. अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो आप अपने घर पे बैठिए. If you can do something in your life, you have to change your life. You have to give the time in institute for learning English. Thank you so much.
Thank you for Anybody else? Yes? आज क्या बात है? तेज बोलिए, चिकनी है, चिल्लानी है, जबरदस्त बोलिए. Your teacher is ready to bear by his talent in front of people over the ground level. To see your teacher, what he is doing, क्या क्या करने पर मैं रेडी हूँ, अपने आप को नहीं हारने में आप लोग रेडी हो जाइए. As you see the condition of your father, how he struggles, how he sweats to earn money, to bring butter, bread for you. Similarly, you have to watch me. What else my teacher does for me? What should I do? Shout now. Louder. Shout better.
So hello everyone, my name is Anjali. Today I would like to tell you my points of view about English language. So why we are coming here? We are coming here for learning English. learning English. So why English is important? When we go anywhere, so we don't know about that place language. So we can communicate with English language in any person. So English language is important for communication. When we communicate anyone, so we manage.
और तेज बोलो जितनी हो सके बोलो चीखो.
So when I came here, that time I was very shy girl and introvert too. That time I used to feel hesitation to speak in front of people. When sir said to me, Priyanshu sir, so give your introduction in front of class. That time I am shivering in front of my class. And that time I was not able to speak a single word in English. But you can see that I am in front of you and I am speaking English. So this is my point of view about English. Many times I think that I can't do this, but I can't give up. So give up is not the solution of anything. I can believe myself and I can tell you that you can believe on yourself. It is very important for everyone.
Clapping. बहुत अच्छा जबरदस्त बहुत अच्छा छोटी छोटी चीजें करनी है थोड़ी थोड़ी करनी है टूटी फूटी करनी है गलती करनी है and try to learn these all things from. Whereas you are not able to come in front of me, you joined my class, that was your guts. You started questioning me, that was your guts. You started speaking in front of me, that was your guts. And finally you have started to speak in front of everybody, that is your guts. That is your achievement. Today is better. Tomorrow I need best from you. Take note, please. Anybody else? Yes. Try to solve. The point is there, two importance English language you have to speak. Importance of communication skills you have to speak. Right? Just put your note on there.
Thanks to all and good morning to all.
Try to speak
and
louder. Good morning to everybody.
Good morning to everybody.
Or teach.
Good morning to everybody and thanks to Kamtu sir for giving me this opportunity. And so we know, as we know that speaking, communication skill is very important in our life. And if we go to crack the interviews, then interviewers wants to know that how is our communication skill. And in everywhere, communication skill is very important. So it totally depends on our communication skill. I also failed many times in interview because I can't speak fluently and I can't express my feelings and my points of view. So many times I feel that English is very important in our life. And nowadays we know that everywhere speak English. So I think English must in our life, and I also try to speak fluently. So I am taking classes because I can't speak fluently, and it's my all about English.
Fantastic. Clapping for him. Quickly, beta. Come and take only 1 minute. Come and take only 1 minute. Come beta. आगे. Take only 1 minute.
Good morning, everyone.
Speak louder.
Good morning, everyone.
और तेज. वो आप बोल सकते हैं बोलिए बेटा. आप बोल सकती है एक बार बोलिए. Try to speak louder. Speak louder. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, तेज बोलो. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Try to see in front of all, and try to speak more loud. Good morning, everybody. बोलो.
Good morning, everybody.
Yes. Now right. Go ahead.
Good morning, everybody. So, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. So, now I am going to share what is the positive aspects of learning this language. So, as we know, Gen Z word. What is Gen Z? So, Gen Z. So, I am the Gen Z. In our culture, हमारे culture में क्या होता है कि everyone wants to become a higher person because Gen Z is so जोशीली, वो बहुत जोश में रहती है Gen Z. तो उनका क्या होता है हर किसी को beat करना है, हर किसी को beat करके ऊपर जाना है. So that's our motive. That's why we learn English. We learn English from YouTube, institutes. That's why I'm actually learning English.
And the second motive is Gen Z is to the second motive is not we can't say that motive, but Gen Z का क्या होता है कि उन्हें ना ये लगता है कि वो कहीं भी जाए और फ्लुएंटली बोले बिना हेजिटेशन के, बस फ्लुएंटली, क्योंकि उनका ये होता है कि उनका फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन लास्ट इम्प्रेशन होता है। तो उनके लिए यही होता है कि उनकी कम्युनिकेशन अच्छी हो, उनकी इंग्लिश अच्छी हो और वो सबको बीट कर सके। सो दैट्स माई मोटिव। By positive way, in kindly way, I want to share this, that I want to beat everyone, but with politeness and with kindness of mine. Thank you.
Clapping.
First, be in front of public and try to give you a little introduction and try to speak about communication.
Good morning, everyone.
Just look at the camera and try to speak.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Anshu Pandey in front of you. Today, I'm going to tell you about English. Why is English important in our life and why is communication important in our life? English is your business language. It also known as English is international language. It's always used in business, meetings, and if you want to meet with other ones, so for your better impression that other people will thought you is more knowledgeable person. If you will speak in front of Hindi, in front of any other ones, so he thought he's uneducated, he's rustic. Maximum of the people thought he's rustic. But when you will talk with him genuinely in his language, in her language, then you will know what is inside her. So you can't judge anybody with her language, but communication is more important. Why? Because communicate with other one, sit in front of seniors, other government officers, A-grade officers, and there much more. So that's why communication is more important to stable your life, go ahead and make your career strong and powerful. So it's all about it. Thank you.
First, look at the camera and introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Neha.
That is fast. See, we take only 1 year.
And first of all, thank you for giving me this grateful opportunity to stand here and speak in front of all. And today I am telling about importance of English. Importance of English. So before 1 year, I didn't know importance of English. So that time I went an interview. So that time I didn't clear my interview. So that time I realized that English is the most important language in this world, because without English you can't survive in this planet. So that time I realized, and after my interview 2, 3, 4 months, I joined English League Institute. So first of all, I can't speak for front of people. It is my very weakness. So I have so that time I joined this institute. So now for English, so according to English is the most important in this world. So that's it.
Do you want to speak? Yes.
Good morning, everybody present here. Today I am Isha. Want to deliver on the topic power of communication skill. So, what is communication skill? As per here, our communication skill is English here. So we are learning English here, and it's the most important thing in the today's world. As everybody wants to learn English and want to be fluent in this language. So I would like to share my experience in my school as I recently passed the 12th class. My own family members said that you have studied in the private school and your fees has second highest in the whole Delhi NCR of your school, and now you are not able to speak English, and it's a private school and in an English medium school. Then I was like, I know to speak English, but I'm having the phobia of speaking in public and a hesitation of interacting someone. So after that, overthinking on that after so many days, then I joined this institute. After that, I got to know that if as soon as we speak English and as much as we interact, we can be fluent in the English language. So as per my opinion, English is the most important in today's world, and everything is you got, and if you want to do something, it's only about the English and by the English. Thank you.
Clap.